welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And we're gonna jump into it. So if you guys want to see how I got this cranberry fall makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I know that I have been MIA, you guys. Like, I have not uploaded in 2 weeks. I feel really bad, you guys, but I have just been so drained, so tired. I do teach, you guys, so I'm working with 20 kids every day. So y'all, 21 plus Kason, and he's 4 too. So I am all over the place, but I decided to go ahead and sit down today and film this video. Hopefully you guys, I get back on track, and I will, because this is something that I love. I love interacting with you guys, and I love doing makeup looks, and I love YouTube. So I'm gonna try my best to get some energy from somewhere, drink some coffee, do something to give me some type of energy so I can be here for you guys and do this YouTube thing, because we got this. So jumping right into it, for moisturizer, I'm going to be using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I love this moisturizer, you guys. I do have some skincare videos coming up soon, like my favorite body care items as well as my favorite skincare and the vajayjay. So I'm going to be hitting all those points, letting you guys know the things that I like and some things that I use, pretty much. And by the way, you guys, I do have on a halter crop top. So of course my brows are already done and my eyelids are already primed, but we do need some chapstick, honey, because my lips are dry. And I am wearing a matte lipstick, so we want to make sure we keep those babies moist. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using an oldie but goodie. I am going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. I have not used this palette a whole lot here on my channel or like in real life. So I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going for, but I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and start off with this orangish shade right here. The next shade I'm going into is this purplish shade right here, and it's called Love Letter. So I'm pretty much just packing this color into my crease and my outer V area, and then I'm just going to blend it out. So to deepen up my outer corner and my outer V a little bit more, I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here, which is called Cyrus Umber, and I'm using the same brush. I've used this brush for the shadows we used so far. This is the Morphe 441, and it's a pretty solid brush. And I'm only going to use a little bit because I don't want this eyeshadow look to get really dark. But I don't want it to look very purplish, because in the mirror it looks kind of purple, but on camera it looks kind of reddish. It's crazy. And maybe it's because these lights are like bright as hell. I really can't even tell what color it is, pretty much. So as bad as I want to cut my crease, I'm not going to cut it. So I am going to use the Primavera shade. Is that it? Yeah. This golden light champagne color right here. I'm going to use that to go ahead and place on my lid. And I'm going to be using my Morphe 421. No, this is definitely the wrong brush. This is a Shop Miss A E122 brush, but this is a really good brush, and you can get this off of Shop Miss A. So I'm just going to take some of my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to drown my brush in this. And I know I said we weren't doing a cut crease, but when you spray your brush with the Fix Plus, it really does give you that cut crease effect. Not only does it make the eyeshadow pop more and look foiled, it also does make you like you have a cut crease. So this is like a faux cut crease. but you have to apply it as if you would concealer before you would do the cut crease, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to take Love Letter and this brown shade, mix the two together and blend out this outer portion where the cut crease meets the shadow. Now we are ready to be lashed, and I actually have two different pair of lashes to try out. Trying to see which ones I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes and I'll be back. These lashes are something serious. Like during the week I wear like kiss lashes, and I swear on the weekends when I put on my mink lash, you guys, like I feel like I'm about to fly away. Like it's crazy. It's crazy, but they are beautiful and they just really tie this makeup, this eye makeup look together. So for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use Smashbox Photo Finish. You guys know this is my ride or die primer. I'm always using this primer. This is the only primer that pretty much holds me down, filling my pores, and also keep the oils under control. And then for my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, and you guys see it looks like the bottle is full, but I'm literally like right here, and I'm getting kind of scared because I love this foundation. So for my concealer of choice, I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And I have not used this concealer in a minute, and I'm still using my Shop Miss A sponge. I love this beauty sponge, like $155, honey. Get you some. And if you are like subscribed or Shop Miss A, you get Shop Miss A emails and things like that. They do have free shipping a lot. So you can get these sponges with the free shipping. And the shipping is not that expensive anyway, but I'm just saying, we all like a deal, honey. And then for setting powder, I'm going to be using the Mercier. And of course, I'm using my black Radiance to go ahead and snatch up my nose a little bit. And this is the black Radiance Rich Mahogany. And then I'm just going to take this brush. I'm really not baking anymore. So basically I'm just sweeping off any excess powder that was left over. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. I'm not sure, but for some reason my under eyes have been like super duper dry. Like really dry. I don't know what's going on with my skin lately. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette. This one's in dark. And I'm going to go ahead and take this soft pink shade right here. just because I'm already doing a lot, like my eyes are doing a lot and my lips are going to be doing the absolute most. I want to have a little bit of blush because I love blush, but not too much. And then for highlighter, I'm using my favorite drugstore highlighter. I did a video using all of my favorite drugstore products, using them on my face, so I'll leave a card up in here, somewhere up in here for that, so you guys can check that video out. So I'm just going to use this highlighter and apply it to my, y'all get what I'm saying. It has been a minute since I've sat down and filmed a video, so I'm tongue twisted, honey. I'm messing everything up. But this makeup, you know what I'm saying? And before we get into the lips, I'm just going to go ahead and change my earrings. Ooh. Sassy. Real quick. Boom. Fix my hair. Boom. And then we're ready for this lip. So I'm going to be using this super dark and vampy color. This is Colourpop I Love times ILuvsarahii. I was about to say Ariba because that's one of my favorites too. But this one is Mamacita. And y'all, I wore this last fall and it was just scrumptious. Let me tell you. Just gonna take some Better Than Sex mascara. Let me get a close-up. And I'm gonna apply this to my top lashes and to my bottom lashes to make sure everything is blending in. Then of course I'm gonna fill in my mole. Yes, honey, yes. So this is pretty much the final makeup look. This is my little Cranberry makeup look tutorial. This is so beautiful, like the eyes, the lips. I am loving this look, like for real, for real. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you guys want to see my post and want to see what I'm wearing tonight, because I am going out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember to follow your dreams and be blessed. And before you leave, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. By the way, you guys, look at my short nails. Like, I have switched up my long pointy stiletto nails for these short nails. As some of you guys may know, I'm a teacher, so I did want to get something a little bit more shorter, a little bit more professional. But yeah. So yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.